The Magnetic Sentence Builder is a hands-on tool in the Building Writers Cornerstones program that's designed to reinforce student learning in sentence construction. Let's learn about Compound Connector, one of the many hands-on activities your class can do with the Magnetic Sentence Builder.
Hi friends, I have written down 2 sentences after what you did in PE today. So we're going to join these 2 sentences. Remember, we've been working on our connector words. I want you to think of a connector word and write it down on this word card so that we can combine these 2 sentences into one long sentence. And let me know when you have that word. Elliot, what word did you choose? And. That's a great connector word. That's going to bring these 2 sentences together. So why don't you bring that connector word up and put it where it needs to go. And when you're doing that, we also need to make some changes to these 2 sentences, right? Okay, so let's see how you can connect the 2. Perfect. And then what else do we need to do to make it one complete sentence?
You need to erase this period right there.
Okay, great.
Then make it this.
A comma. Perfect. Okay, is that ready, or do we have something else we need to do?
Something else.
Okay, and what is that?
This should not be here.
Okay, because it's a
Uppercase.
capital letter, that's right. So you're going to fix it with your marker and make it a lowercase letter. Excellent. Okay, that's great. I think we're going to think about some other connector words that might work with these sentences. Really good job. Thanks, Elliot.
This is just one of several activities using the Magnetic Sentence Builder that helps students learn grammar, punctuation, and capitalization in context, not in isolation. With Building Writers Cornerstones, just 15 minutes a day can transform writing skills.